Wrote the test or not yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Was
sir.
it?
It was good, sir.
Very good. 1 minute.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Nana. So done well yesterday, right? Shall we go through the paper once? Got the
Yes, sir.
syllabus for this weekend also. Kada? Complete remaining
sir.
part of inspiration again from Krebs cycle, I think, no? Then of course, little bit from growth and development also there. Photosynthesis is kept in pending. Maybe after that it will come. Okay. Sure. Hmm. Incoming seniors. Okay. Yeah, was it this paper only, Nana?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, which of the following occurs in the cytoplasm? There is wrong this thing, beta. Cytoplasm, if you take, it can all be in the cytoplasm only because we know mitochondria are part of cytoplasm, chloroplasts are part of cytoplasm. They should mention cytosol actually because you could arrive at a conclusion that it must be about glycolysis because you know all are there if you take in cytoplasm into account. So all of them option not there. So automatically you choose glycolysis. There won't be any problem here in choosing the answer. But the concept involved there in the usage of terminology, Nana, you be aware. They should have mentioned it as cytosol part. Kada, Nana, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So anyhow, you can argue Krebs cycle also is occurring in the cytoplasm only because we know mitochondria are part of cytoplasm. But
Yes.
glycolysis occurs in the cytosol part of cytoplasm. Since all are there, There is no option saying all of them. If there was an option saying all of them, would have been that also, argument's sake. So here answer is 2, glycolysis that occurs in cytosol part. Which others related to respiration were also in cytosol part, Nana? Fermentation also occurs in the cytosol part only. That was also not requiring mitochondria, isn't it? Ante kada Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then second one, in EMP pathway. What is EMP pathway? Nothing but
Glycolysis.
is NADH plus H plus is oxidized to NAD. No, in fact, you have seen NADH plus H plus synthesis, not the breakdown. So cannot be. 2. Sucrose is converted to glucose and fructose. That was already done. It starts with glucose only. 3. ATP is synthesized during conversion of PEP to pyruvic acid. Yes, it was the last and the 10th step. That was nothing but, what was other name for this reaction, Anna?
Dephosphorylation.
Dephosphorylation.
Dephosphorylation, or one more name we gave, substrate
Substrate level
level
phosphorylation.
phosphorylation. Yes, should be 3. O2 is consumed, CO2 liberated. No, none of these events are in glycolysis. Neither CO2 liberated nor O2 added in glycolysis. Nothing but EMP pathway, nothing but common respiratory pathway, nothing but core respiration, nothing but exose diphosphate pathway. Third question, let us see now. Carbon dioxide is liberated during. Was CO2 evolved along with ethanol, Nana, alcoholic fermentation?
Yes.
Yes. Was it CO2 released in aerobic respiration? Yes. There were 6 CO2s, 2 from link step, 4 from TCA cycle also. In one kind of fermentation also you have seen CO2 liberation. So both 1 and 2, absolutely no problem. But what about fourth option, Nana? Was it CO2 evolved in lactic acid fermentation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Lactic acid is like pyruvic acid, 3 carbon compound only. So no carbon removed during conversion of pyruvic acid to lactic acid, which of course is seen in lactobacillus, can also be in animal cells, especially muscle cells when oxygen lacking. So no chance of fourth. Should be 1 and 2, in which case answer is 3, Nana. Question number 4. First step of glycolysis is catalyzed by, tell me, Nana, hexokinase,
Hexokinase, sir.
which is also called glucose 6-phosphotransferase, whose enzyme commission code 2712. What was invertase doing, Nana?
Conversion of sucrose to glucose and
Glucose and fructose. Yes, very good. Enolase, what was it doing, Nana? Hydration or dehydration?
dehydration.
Dehydration of compound
2-phosphoglycerol.
2-PGA to PEP, enolase. And pyruvic kinase was in the last step of glycolysis. Then fifth reaction. Dehydration occurs during which step of EMP pathway? Oh, just now we were talking about. That was nothing but conversion of 2-phosphoglyceric acid to phosphoenol pyruvic acid. That was reaction number 9.
9, sir.
Yes. So, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-bis PGA, no. That was oxidation. 3-phosphoglyceric acid to 2-phosphoglyceric acid, no. That was isomerization by mutase. 3, phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate, no. That was last step involving ATP formation. And fourth is 2-phosphoglyceric acid, 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So fourth option is correct. Then sixth, net gain of ATPs in glycolysis is, of course, you are well aware of. It should be taken as 2. Answer is 1. Seventh, untrue about pyruvic acid. Okay. Pyruvic acid was product of glycolysis, we know. Pyruvic acid was substrate for link step, we know, that was undergoing oxidative decarboxylation into acetyl-CoA, isn't it, Nana? So now let us look for the options. It is the end product of glycolysis. See, Nana, when you read the question, okay, think about without jumping to see the answers. First, that's very, very important, Nana. Approach at the time of writing exam. When you read the stem of the question, just think what could be the answer. Pyruvic acid. So where all places related to respiration was it? You just think about. Then you look for the options. What is he asking for? Sometimes from the question, what is he asking for? You can't make out unless you read the answers. So he says untrue about pyruvic acid. So what answer he is expecting, you do not know unless you read the options, isn't it? So just develop an idea where all the pyruvic acid role was, then look for the options. It will be easy for you, Nana. So first option, it is the end product of glycolysis. Yes, we know. So it can't be the answer here. It is a 3-carbon compound. Yes, we know. It is the connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Was it this connecting link compound, Nana?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
It was acetyl-CoA called connecting link compound between glycolysis Krebs cycle. So this is untrue. Fourth option, let us see. It is converted to ethanol and carbon dioxide during alcoholic fermentation. Yes, that also we know. So should be third, untrue. Question number 8. Conversion of 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid to 3-phosphoglyceric acid. That was nothing but what, Nana? Dephosphorylation or substrate level phosphorylation 1, during which time we got 2 molecules of ATP. If it is 2 molecules of 1,3-bis-PGA, I mean, if it is 1 glucose, we were getting 2 ATPs there. So conversion of 1,3-bis-PGA to 3-phosphoglyceric acid is, it can be dephosphorylation, you say, substrate level phosphorylation, you say. What is the options given here? Let us look now for. Phosphorylation, no. Reduction, no. Oxidation, no. Dephosphorylation, option D is right. It could as well be substrate level phosphorylation. 9th, fermentation takes place under anaerobic conditions in, tell me, Nana, unicellular eukaryotes. Yes, they can undergo germinating seeds. Yeah, Nana. In fact, we didn't talk about this, but that time also it can happen, Nana. Germinating seeds also undergo anaerobic respiration, Nana. Then many prokaryotes, yes, many prokaryotes was the example we gave for anaerobic respiration. And those could be obligate anaerobes or facultative anaerobes. If so, answer is all of these. Now, to say anaerobic respiration in germinating seeds, okay, which could be fermentation, in other words, lactic acid or alcoholic fermentation. Did you observe the sprouts, Nana? Sprouts. After you soak the seeds in water, okay, you keep them separately overnight for inducing sprouting, germination process. That time, anaerobic respiration. That time, if you open that, you clearly notice heat generated there. And a kind of smell also you notice, Nana, that is to indicate fermentation process. If it is aerobic, no such smell will be noticed. Evidence, just as an evidence. And sprouts are considered to be rich in nutrients also, poor in fats also. How it is to be seen in physiology chapter, in growth and development chapter. 10th, anaerobic respiration in yeast yields carbon dioxide and ethanol, ethyl alcohol. First option, what it is given on a carbon dioxide and water, no. Second option, pyruvic acid and oxygen, no. Third option, lactic acid and CO2, no chance. Ethanol and CO2. Along with lactic acid, no chance of CO2 liberation, isn't it, Nana? Only CO2 liberated was along with ethanol during fermentation. If you take, who discovered fermentation, Nana?
Louis Pasteur. Sorry, sir, that is Pasteur.
Gay-Lussac. Kada. Louis Pasteur observation is Pasteur effect, we call it. When they are provided with oxygen, shift from anaerobic to aerobic is called Pasteur effect. He first observed, Nana, that's why. And experiment to demonstrate fermentation was Kuhnes-Bessel called. And respiration rate is measured by respirometer. That is to be discussed anyhow while discussing respiratory quotient. So 10th question answer is ethanol and carbon dioxide. All right. 11th, for most of the enzymes in glycolysis, who is acting as cofactor, Nana?
Mg plus.
Magnesium, yes, Mg+2. Even for kinases also, it was there with the role. The very first reaction itself was the one where magnesium used. 12th, select incorrect statement. In fermentation, less than 7% of energy of glucose is released. Yes, correct. So it can't be the answer. Option 2, yeast poison themselves to death when concentration of alcohol reaches up to 13%. Yes, so it can't be incorrect. 3, 2 molecules of NADH are formed as a net gain in alcoholic fermentation. Was it NADH net gain there in fermentation, Nana?
No, sir.
The one formed during glycolysis, in fact, is used during fermentation. Nothing is left there. So this is incorrect. Should be 3 answer. 4th also, let us see now. During exercise, when oxygen is inadequate, pyruvic acid is reduced to lactic acid in animal cells or muscle cells. Yeah, this was correct, we know. Question number, yes, Nana, 13th. How many ATP molecules will be generated as net in yeast during incomplete oxidation of 1 molecule of glucose? Tell me, beta.
2, sir.
2 ATPs only. That was the first question. Okay. This question last week also asked, I think, no?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Should be 2 ATPs net gain. ATPs formed was 4, but net gain we take it as 2 only. Whether it is anaerobic or even if it is aerobic for glycolysis. For 1 molecule of glucose, that's important. 14th, cellular respiration occurs in. Cellular respiration occurs in. Where, Nana? Mitochondria. It can as well be in the cytosol part. But ribosomes, no way related to respiration. Nucleus, no way. Vacuole, no way. So should be 4th option correct. 15th. Identify the correct sequence of the following processes of aerobic respiration. If it is aerobic respiration, glycolysis followed by link reaction, followed by Krebs cycle, followed by electron transport system. If it is so, 2, 4, 1, 3. Which option, Nana? Fourth option, right? 2, 4, 1, 3. Not a problem. 16th, in TCA cycle, decarboxylation occurs. Oh. During tricarboxylic acid cycle, nothing but Krebs cycle. There were two decarboxylations. Remember, Nana? One was conversion of oxalosuccinic acid to alpha ketoglutaric, and two, alpha ketoglutaric acid to succinyl-CoA. So what is the option given here? Let us see. Malic acid to oxaloacetic acid, no chance of decarboxylation. Oxaloacetic acid to citric acid, no chance. Citric acid to alpha ketoglutaric acid, yes, Nana. There were two steps in between citric acid to alpha ketoglutaric. In fact, they are taking fourth, fifth as one, sixth as another, that were involving removal of CO2, then oxidation to form NADH also. So from citric acid to alpha ketoglutaric acid, you found two decarboxylations. In fact, two successive decarboxylations that were in step 5 and step 6. Fourth option, look at succinic acid to malic acid. What were you getting during conversion of succinic acid to malic acid, Nana? In fact, succinic acid to fumaric acid, from there to malic acid, in which case we were getting NADH plus H plus. 17th, all of the following are 4-carbon compounds except, yes, Nana. I was telling you, all that were before alpha ketoglutaric acid. How many carbon, Nana?
3 carbon.
Be careful. All that in TCA cycle before alpha ketoglutaric acid. How many carbon containing?
6 carbon.
6 carbon containing. After alpha ketoglutaric acid, what all you see? All are 4 carbon.
4 carbon.
Yes, Nana. So the only 5 carbon intermediate was alpha ketoglutaric acid. So succinic acid is after alpha ketoglutaric, so 4 carbon. Alpha ketoglutaric acid itself is an exception, that is 5 carbon, should be second answer. Oxaloacetic acid 4 carbon, malic acid 4 carbon, fumaric acid also 4 carbon. In fact, succinyl-CoA also 4 carbon. Oxalosuccinic 6 carbon, isocitric acid 6 carbon, econitic acid 6 carbon, citric acid 6 carbon, and in fact they were with 3 carboxyl groups. That's why pathway was called tricarboxylic acid pathway. 18th, which one of the following is formed during the conversion of succinyl-CoA to succinic acid? Tell me, Nana. If it is animal cell, GTP. If it is plant cell, directly ATP. Even GTP of animal cell should be taken on par with ATP because it is immediately transphosphorylated to form ATP. So succinyl-CoA to succinic acid, nothing but substrate level phosphorylation. The 7th step of TCA cycle, which also used to be called cleavage or substrate level phosphorylation, wherein succinyl-CoA split into succinic acid, coenzyme A. Why is this called substrate level phosphorylation, Anna? That part I'll discuss after we discuss this. I'll explain to you why substrate level phosphorylation. Though I was telling you briefly, but we'll discuss. Now it is easy to understand why are they called substrate level phosphorylations. 19th, complex 1 in ETS is what was complex 1 in ETS associated with, Nana? An FMN. Then how many iron sulfur centers? Can anyone tell me please how many iron sulfur centers? written with to the power. Why? Because there were many iron sulfur centers in complex 1. And I told you complex 1 can be called with how many names? Number 1, NADH oxidase. Number 2, ubiquinone reductase. Number 3, NADH ubiquinone oxidoreductase. Number 4, NADH dehydrogenase. So what should be the answer here, Nana? Third option, NADH dehydrogenase. What was called succinic dehydrogenase? The one which is forming FADH2. Cytochrome C oxidase. What is cytochrome C oxidase, Nana? Which complex is cytochrome C oxidase? Tell me,
Complex
Nana.
4.
Complex 3.
Fourth
Yes,
one.
complex 4. Which complex was succinic dehydrogenase?
Second one.
Complex.
Complex 2, very good. And which complex is the one containing cytochrome B, cytochrome C1?
Complex 3.
3. Complex
3, yes, Nana. Complex 1 with several iron sulfur centers, complex 2 with 2 iron sulfur centers, complex 3 with only 1 iron sulfur center, complex 4 without any iron sulfur centers. Instead, complex 4 was having copper centers designated as copper A, copper B, right? Very good. So 28th, ubiquinone is located within the inner membrane of mitochondrion. It is neither on matrix side nor on intermembrane side. What was located in the inner membrane but towards the matrix, Nana? Complex 2. What was located outside the membrane on intermembrane side, freely moving?
cytochrome C.
Cytochrome C, mobile electron carrier, very good. So ubiquinone was located in the inner mitochondrial membrane. It was acting as electron carrier between, tell me, Nana?
Complex 1 and 3 and 3 and 2. And 3.
1 and 3, then also
2 and 3.
2 and
3 and
3. Yes. No, don't say 3 and 2 better. It is 1 and 3 as well, 2 and 3. So transfer it
yes.
from 2 to 3 or 1 to 3, isn't it? Got the idea, Nana?
Yes.
Yeah. Then 21. Which of the following enzymes of citric acid cycle is not located in the matrix of mitochondrion freely? So we were talking so many times about this. What was it? Succinic dehydrogenase. It was helping in TCA cycle, but not freely present in the matrix. Succinic dehydrogenase means very first option itself. Citrate synthetase were in the very beginning, first reaction itself. 22. In TCA cycle, oxaloacetic acid reacts with acetyl coenzyme A to form. Tell me, Nana.
Citric acid.
Acid.
During that time, was anything also used?
Water.
Yes, very good. 2 molecules of water. If it is 2 molecules of acetyl CoA, that is 1 molecule of glucose. So water, 2 molecules of acetyl CoA, 2 molecules of oxaloacetic acid were forming 2 molecules of citric acid. That's it. 23. Copper centers are present in, just now we were talking about which complex, Nana? Complex 4. And which is complex 4 here? Tell me, beta, which is complex 4? The one which causes oxidation of cytochrome.
Cytochrome C oxidase.
Fourth option.
So should be cytochrome C oxidase. Fourth option. ATP synthase was complex 5. 24th. During electron transport system, which of the following act as final hydrogen acceptor? Nothing but oxygen. Final. See the wonder, Nana. In the last step of aerobic respiration, oxygen used. But without the oxygen, all that events which occurred before also cannot occur. That is TCA cycle, link step, all ETS, all won't occur. So that's how they are part of aerobic respiration. So should be oxygen, terminal step. 25th. Cytochrome C acts as mobile carrier for transfer of electrons between which complexes, Nana? 3 and 4.
3 and 4, sir.
Between complex 3 and complex 4 should be third option. Who was between complex 1 and 3? Ubiquinone. Who was between complex 2 and 3? Also ubiquinone. But between 3 and 4 is cytochrome C. Fourth option 1 and 2 means it is talking about ubiquinone. Then 26th, let's go to Nana. During TCA cycle, okay, at how many points FADH2 and NADH plus H plus are respectively produced? FADH2 produced was only from 1 point, Nana.
Yeah.
What about NADH?
3.
3 points, should be 1 and 3 respectively. If so, answer is 2. Good. 27th, identify correct statement. Correct statement related to what? No mention. So let us see. First step of glycolysis is dephosphorylation. No, it was phosphorylation. Link reaction occurs in intermembrane space of mitochondria. Was it, Nana? No, it was occurring in the mitochondrial
Matrix.
Matrix.
3. Aerobic respiration is most common in lower organisms. No, more common in higher organisms. So should be fourth option only, should be correct. In Krebs cycle, one substrate level phosphorylation occurs. Yes, that was reaction number
7, sir.
7th. Very good. Nothing but substrate level phosphorylation. Cleavage we also can call it because succinyl CoA was split into succinic acid and coenzyme A. Then 28th. Choose the incorrect statement about Krebs cycle. Oh, Krebs cycle, if it is, it occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Krebs cycle is pyruvic acid, sorry, acetyl CoA to all carbon dioxide release. Let us see now. Incorrect is asking. It is a cyclic pathway. Yes, it is a cyclic pathway, so it cannot be incorrect. 2. It occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Yes, it occurs, so it can't be incorrect. 3. It is present in all living organisms. Can you take it as occurring in all living organisms, Nana?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
there were some obligate anaerobes. They are living organisms, but don't involve Krebs cycle. So 3 is incorrect. Answer should be 3. Fourth, let us see. NADH plus H plus and FADH2 are generated during Krebs cycle. Perfectly right. So should be 3 is incorrect. That should be the answer. 29th. The fate of pyruvate depends on the fate of pyruvate depends on pyruvic acid fermentation, lactic acid fermentation, aerobic respiration, depending on whom? Availability of oxygen and of course the cellular need to some extent should be 1 and 2. Type of respiratory substrate. No, nothing to do with that. 30th, statement 1. In all bacteria, aerobic respiration is absent. No. There are bacteria which respire aerobically. In fact, aerobic nitrogen fixing free living bacterium was Azotobacter. Anaerobic free living was Clostridium. Photosynthetic anaerobic was Rhodospirillum. So all bacteria aerobic respiration is absent. Wrong. Statement 2. All bacteria do not contain mitochondria except mycoplasmas is also wrong. Why the mycoplasma is exception, Nana? Even they also don't have mitochondria. So as per the statement, mycoplasma should have mitochondria, but it is not so. Both statements are incorrect. If so, answer should be Nana 2.
Third option.
Third.
Sorry. Third option, both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. 31. How many reduced coenzymes are formed in one turn of TCA cycle? What is meant by reduced coenzymes, Nana? Coenzymes meaning what, Nana? FAD, NAD plus. So they will be reduced into FADH2, NADH plus, H plus. Kadam? So, what is he asking? How many reduced coenzymes are formed in one turn of TCA cycle? Means both you should count together. How many beta? One FADH2,
Four.
3 NADH. If so, it should be 4. Answer is 2 then. 32. Oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid to what? Acetyl-CoA is catalyzed by, what was the enzyme we called it, Nana? Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. It's a complex of 3 enzymes actually. Decarboxylase, dehydrogenase, and trans-acetylase, together called pyruvate dehydrogenase or pyruvic dehydrogenase. So the very first option. Pyruvic kinase, no chance. Pyruvic decarboxylase, actually, that can as well be called, because that is also having role, but that was here taken as part of pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Thiokinase, no chance. So they should not have given this option, and a pyruvate decarboxylase.
In NCRT, they said dehydrogenase sodium. That's why that is the answer.
According to NCRT, they have gone. It should actually be dehydrogenase complex, which is a cluster, of 3 enzymes. Decarboxylase, dehydrogenase, trans-acetylase. Very good. Anyhow, for us here, more appropriate is first option only. There is no controversy. Then 33, tricarboxylic acid cycle was first elucidated by, of course, named after whom? It was Krebs cycle. So Sir Hans Krebs. Actually, Nana, his name is Krebs. Sir Hans Krebs. While calling the cycle, naturally, they call it as what? Krebs cycle. Krebs apostrophe S cycle. In usage, it became Krebs cycle. So now there is a chance of putting apostrophe after Krebs. So Krebs became Krebs now. In usage, it happens sometimes. So Sir Hans Krebs, 33. Next, 34, Nana. During Krebs cycle, in a coupled reaction, A is converted to B with the simultaneous synthesis of C and D. So what are A, B, C, D? Correctly with reference to Krebs cycle. Coupled reaction. Why it is a coupled reaction? It in fact was ADP, GDP, means it should be substrate level phosphorylation and 7th step of TCA cycle. Cleavage of succinyl-CoA into succinic acid and coenzyme A. So during that time, first what happened was GDP is converted into GTP. Simultaneously, ADP will convert into ATP, deriving phosphate from GTP. This What should be the option, Anna? Third option, GDP to GTP, then ADP to ATP.
So it should be ATP from ADP, so C and D.
Oh, sorry. You said C from D, no?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
see how confusing the question.
It will be fourth option only, sir.
అంతే కదా ఇక వేరే ఆప్షన్ ఏటీపీ ఫ్రమ్ ఏడిపి కరెక్ట్ బేటా.
But sir, isn't GDP converted to GTP?
But again the problem, he says A is converted to B.
Yes, sir.
Correct only, na, sir. GTP is converted to GDP.
When GTP is converted to GDP, ADP converts into ATP. Simultaneous.
Yes, sir.
First-
Fourth option only.
First we got GTP from GDP, that is different. But when GTP becomes GDP, ADP becomes ATP. Atla link పెట్టాను నేను. So you are left with fourth option only.
Yes.
Okay. ఎట్లా తీసుకున్నా fourth option ఏనా. It can't be other options anyhow. Because once he said C from D, it is supposed to be fourth option only. ATP from ADP. Then during the conversion of GTP to GDP. 35th, the end products of Krebs cycle include. Krebs cycle products, carbon dioxide, we take it as end product, NADH is end product, FADH2 is end product. Of course, oxaloacetic acid also is end product. If it is so, all of these. 36th, pyruvic acid enters into Krebs cycle in the form of, tell me, acetyl-CoA. The link compound, the so-called అవి ఒకటే తెచ్చింది, ఒక సెట్ లిక్విడ్ కదా, లిక్విడ్ ఒకటే తెచ్చింది, ఇంకోటి కావాలా? మధ్యాహ్నం చేస్తాను. లేవు ఎందుకు లేవు, మరీ ఓవర్ అయిపోయాము. మధ్యాహ్నం తెస్తాను. ఓకేనా? Thirty-fifth, end products of Krebs cycle. Okay, done. All of them. 36th, pyruvic acid enters into Krebs cycle in the form of. Pyruvic acid enters into Krebs cycle in the form of this. Also, we have done just now. No, beta acetyl-CoA. 37th, Nana. In EMP pathway, during oxidation reaction, the hydrogen atoms are removed from the substrate by
NAD plus.
naturally NAD. NAD is reduced into NADH plus H plus. Removed from which substrate means what is your answer? Tell me better. Removed from which substrate? What is your...
Phosphoglycerol.
Yes, P-gal, which is otherwise called GAP. And that was, in fact, in the same step was giving rise to 1,3-bis-PGA. 38th, the organisms which depend on dead decaying organic matter are called. Oh, why this came here? Why it has come here? So it should be
Then NCERT.
NCERT, it is given, no? Okay, but anyhow, you are aware of this. So it should be saprobes or saprophytes. 39th, which of the following statements about ATP is incorrect? Oh, ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ATP is energy currency of the cell. ATP is a nucleotide. ATP energy currency is a nucleotide of DNA or RNA, Nana?
RNA.
RNA.
RNA, sir.
That of RNA. Let us now look for the answers. Incorrect it should be. Okay. 1. It acts as energy currency of the cell is correct. So can't be the answer. 2. It is a nucleotide. Correct. Can't be the answer. 3. It consists of adenine, deoxyribose sugar, and 3 phosphates. Was it deoxyribose sugar?
Ribose sugar.
No, ribose sugar, because it's a nucleotide of RNA. So 3 is incorrect. That should be the answer. 4th also, let us see now. Hydrolysis of each ATP gives ADP, inorganic phosphate, and energy. That's of course is true. 40th, select correct statement. In green plants, all the cells, tissues, and organs can perform photosynthesis. Was it? No.
No,
Only
sir.
green cells can do that. That is incorrect. Second option, all the energy required for life processes is obtained by the hydrolysis of some micromolecules called as food. Was it micromolecules, Nana?
Macromolecule.
Macromolecules. So that's where it has gone. 3. All plants and cyanobacteria can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. Yes. Kakapothe, an exception he has not taken into account, Nana. Do we say all plants? Are there any exceptions there? If it is heterotrophic,
Insectivorous forms.
parasitic angiosperms are there, total parasite, etc. But that he has not taken. Let us see other options. Possibility, if any. Among respiratory substrates, usually carbohydrates are oxidized to release energy. Oh, correct.
Yes.
So that is more appropriate. We take it as Nana. So in the first case, because there are some plants which live as heterotrophs, so we don't take the third as correct. So 4th is correct by all means. So we go with 4th for 40th bit. 41. In which of the following steps NADH is produced? Oh. Was it during pyruvic acid acetyl-CoA? Yes.
Yes.
Was it during citric to isocitric?
No, sir.
No. Isocitric to oxalosuccinate. Was it during glucose to fructose? No. Was it oxaloacetic acid to citric acid? No. Should be first option only. In fact, which all reactions were yielding NADH, Nana? During gap into 1,3-bis PGA of glycolysis, then during pyruvic acid to acetyl-CoA, then during isocitric acid to oxalosuccinic acid, then during alpha-ketoglutaric acid to succinyl-CoA, then during malate to oxaloacetic acid. So pyruvate to acetyl-CoA time, for 1 glucose, we have 2 NADH plus H plus. 42. Which of the following organisms retain the enzymatic machinery to partially oxidize glucose without the help of oxygen? Retain the enzymatic machinery to partially oxidize glucose without the help of oxygen. Okay. Which of these, Nana? Retain enzymatic machinery to partially oxidize glucose without the help of oxygen. Ante glycolysis can occur. Yeah, autotrophs can undergo that, heterotrophs can undergo that, microbes can undergo that. Glycolysis is common whether they are aerobes or anaerobes. So all of these should be the answer. 43. Which of the following is generated during oxidation of succinate in 2-citric acid cycle? What is it? Succinic acid in the citric acid cycle. Yeah, what was it yielding, Nana? Nothing but succinic acid to fumaric acid. It was yielding us one FADH2 generated by succinic dehydrogenase during conversion of succinic acid to fumaric acid. So that's the oxidation of succinate, FADH2. We know it. 44. The number of carbon dioxide molecules liberated for one complete oxidation of each pyruvic acid in aerobic. See, Nana, he has asked pyruvic acid. If he says glucose, answer is different. He says one pyruvic acid. How many carbon is pyruvic acid, Nana? 3 carbon. So all 3 carbons are liberated as CO2. One was in the link step, 2 were in TCA cycle. So answer should be 3. Suppose for the same, if he says number of carbon dioxide molecules liberated for oxidation of pyruvic acid through TCA cycle, what is your answer? Tell me.
8.
Should be 2. Should be 2. Yes. From pyruvic acid onwards, if we take link step was there, followed by TCA cycle. From link step 1 CO2, TCA cycle 2 CO2. So total is 3. Last, the 45th. Oh. He has taken care, Nana, here. He has not repeated the options for the questions. Generally, if it is 2-column match, how do you look at the answers, Nana, to save time? Are there any with repeat of the option? A, for example, nothing is repeated. B, at least 4 is repeated. C, 1 is repeated. So it can't work out for us that way.
It's
So
better if we just find out what A, we can find out the entire thing.
The
That's-
direct key product is pyruvic.
Yes, that's excellent. So key product of glycolysis is
Pyruvic acid.
No, pyruvic acid. Finish. A3. There is only one option. If it is so, now cross verification. B should be 4. End product of link reaction. Naturally, estelle koi. C should be 1. Sorry. She should be 1. Gadanana?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. If C is 1, end product of aerobic respiration, right? Carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Then D is supposed to be 3.
2, sir.
Product of, 2. Product of oxidation step of EMP pathway 1,3 bis PGA. Done. Okay. Marks వచ్చాయా నాన్న?
Yes, sir.
You got the marks, all of you? Very good. So that substrate level phosphorylation, on what basis is he calling actually? Because after you learn about electron transport system, it is easy to make out the difference. Okay. Substrate level phosphorylation is nothing but phosphorylation of ADP to form ATP. So it is ATP synthesis literally. Yes, Nana? About SLP beta, giving you the clarity. ATP to form ATP. Iron. क्या हुआ नाना? Iron. Nothing. Mute करो बेटा.
Yes.
Muted. Okay. फिर आया. Yeah. Why it is not getting muted, Nana? Okay.
Yes.
So phosphorylation of ADP to form ATP, deriving energy and or phosphate from the substrate. It can be energy as well as phosphate or only energy. That's why and or I said Nana. Example you take, if it is succinyl CoA to succinic acid. Here, energy only is from succinyl CoA. In this step, energy only. Is phosphate used from substrate, Nana? No. Energy only used from substrate. For ATP synthesis. Example 2, you take 1,3-bis PGA. Tell me here, conversion into 3 PGA time. What happened here, Nana? Straight away, ADP became ATP. So phosphate and energy both are provided from the substrate here. Phosphate and energy from the substrate. Same is the case with PEP to pyruvic acid also. Energy from substrate. That's why this is with 2 phosphates, whereas this is with 1 phosphate only. Otherwise, if it is oxidative phosphorylation, suppose you take, was during translocation of protons, channeling of protons was resulting in ATP formation. That is, whether it is oxidative phosphorylation or photophosphorylation. So, substrate level phosphorylation is different from oxidative phosphorylation or photophosphorylation. Then why it is called substrate level phosphorylation? ATP is not formed while translocating protons. ATP is formed by deriving energy and or phosphate from the substrate. Got the clarity, Nana? Why it is called substrate level phosphorylation?
Yes, sir.
Different from oxidative phosphorylation or photophosphorylation. Okay. So anyhow, we continue tomorrow, Nana. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Bye. See you tomorrow. All the best. Shall I? Bye, Nana.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Nana. Those who have done can leave, Nana.